U.S. Apparel and Textiles started its journey in 1975. Over the years we have seen remarkable progress, and currently the business and organization are going through a strategic transformation where a family-owned business has transitioned into sharing responsibilities of running the company with the help of a professional management. From our inception, we have been aware of adding to the environmental burden of this universe, and now even more careful about minimizing the harmful impact of our business operations. Sustainability for us is a mindset change. We don't greenwash anything, rather we focus our energies and dedication towards creating a difference where it matters the most. We had set on a journey for mapping our sustainable practices, learn about the roadblocks and finding the fittest solutions to them. Back in 2019, when we launched the Sustainability Challenge 2022. It is a 3-year structured target plan, where U.S. Apparel and Textiles has been monitoring and evaluating the status of our sustainable processes, and now after more than a year, we have some progress to share with the world. Ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present to you our first ever Sustainability Report 2020, Making Fashion Sustainable, published on May 12, 2021. The report has been prepared following the Global Reporting Initiative, GRI, Sustainability Reporting Standards at core level, to provide stakeholders a complete overview of U.S. apparel and textiles sustainability impacts and its contribution towards the goal of making denim fashion sustainable. The report covers how U.S. apparel and textiles is contributing to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals through its operational activities and community development initiatives. The Sustainability Report contains information about U.S. apparel and textiles operations from 1 January 2020 to December 31, 2020. The information included in this report encompasses U.S. apparel and textiles operating divisions of apparel manufacturing and denim manufacturing and does not cover any other group company. We intend to issue future sustainability reports on an annual basis. Let's just quickly take you all through this wonderful journey so far. Before starting anything substantial, the first and utmost important thing is the objective, as in why are we doing it? At U.S. Apparel and Textiles, we believe in humanizing fashion and making it sustainable. We do so by focusing on our people, planet, and prosperity while doing business with integrity and a customer-driven approach. We are a socially and environmentally responsible business entity. When we started, it was a huge task for us. We took many steps. Any change, big or small, is successful when it comes from concrete and noticeable changes in leadership behavior. Asif Malik, CEO U.S. Apparel and Textiles, says, "Sustainability is mere mindfulness. It is the only way to preserve our legacy and future-proof our generations. We are at it, setting precedents and taking measurable actions for future growth." Realizing the grave need of bringing our already in place efforts to speed, we constituted a smaller team of like-minded experts and worked extensively in identifying the problem areas. One of the main challenges for us was to come up with a solution on how to measure our efforts and obtain accurate quantifiable data. We spent a reasonable amount of time on setting our baseline data and defining trackable objectives. We started collaborating with field experts and consultants to help us set some aggressive top-down targets. Each target area of the Sustainability Challenge 2022 has one or more key performance indicators, KPI, for which targets have been set to align our sustainability initiatives with UN SDGs and to conform with international standards. Here is a glimpse of our progress so far. All figures are in comparison with baseline year 2019. 9.77% increase in training man-hours per employee. 19.1% decrease in greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions. 12.09% decrease in total energy consumption. 13.02% decrease in total electricity consumption. 10.77% decrease in total steam consumption. 9.48% total compressed air consumption. 9.53% total natural gas and LPG for heating. 78.91% chemical compliance with MRSL. 73.16% sustainably grown textile materials used. 3.35% recycled textile materials used. 7.3% female population in the workforce. 1,028,393 kilowatt-hours from renewable energy from solar power. 850,698 cubic meters decrease in water consumption. 4,046,673 kilogram decrease in process chemical consumption. This report also covers a general overview of the impact of COVID-19 on the world, businesses all over, and how Pakistan has responded with a focus on the textile industry as well. Pakistan had an outstanding performance among apparel export destinations globally during February, according to Sourcing Journal, a credible source for textile sector information. Sustainability is not just a feel-good term for us, but deep sustainability is our ambition. We are working passionately towards changing mindsets about sustainability. Change begins at home, so our first step was to talk with our employees, make them aware about their role in this journey, and most importantly, demonstrate an exemplary behavioral change from top to bottom. Customers have become more demanding and smarter at the same time. Today's modern-day customers expect manufacturers and retailers to have stock ready to be purchased, ensuring variety. Meeting our customers' requirements and exceeding their expectations has always been primary for us. The sourcing and procurement functions at the different U.S. apparel and textiles units are responsible for ensuring reliable supply of quality input materials that include these key item categories. Our products include denim fabric and denim bottom wear garments that are supplied to a global market with most of the top-known brands in our portfolio of customers. All our cotton is BCI certified. We have been using GRS, certified recycled polyester-based yarns for over half a decade. All of our regenerated cellulosic yarns are sourced from Canopy's green shirt-rated companies. We were one of the first in Pakistan to manufacture hemp-based fabrics in bulk, following which we started a project for developing indigenous hemp fiber. Our Sustainability Challenge 2022 is aligned and mapped with the sustainability pillars and customers' requirements and UNDSGS. Our economic performance is driven by the overall business strategy developed by the management and approved by the board under its vision and mission of doing well by giving back. We have devised policies on business continuity management and business continuity plans. Business continuity management prevents halts in the supply of products or provision of services when contingencies or other incidents occur. Collaboration is one of our core values and is deeply engraved in our business practices. We believe in teamwork and consulting all our stakeholders and valuing their opinions is primary for us. This is how we create shared values and maintain a conducive work environment at U.S. Apparel and Textiles. Our key stakeholders include individuals, entities, and groups that have or can have an impact on our business, targets, and vice versa. We have identified our key stakeholders, mapped and prioritized them after a thorough collaborative assessment based on the nature of their relationship with us and their impact on our business operations. We pledged to take this 3-year target-based challenge to improve our performance in 9 different areas which were identified after vigorous self-assessment and thorough research. In this report we have reported our progress supported with facts. In some areas we have underachieved and in others we have surpassed our expectations. Here is a comparison of how things were when we started in the baseline year and where we stand this year. This will not only give us a detailed report on our achievements but will help in forecasting and diverting efforts in the right direction. Caustic Recovery Plant. With a capital investment of PKR 75 million, we took an initiative to reduce the fresh caustic and water consumption at mercerizing machines by recovering concentrated caustic of 22 BOM and alkaline water for process reuse. By doing this, our fresh caustic consumption at finishing has reduced by 2,372 tons in 2020. Stepping up, we also installed a crew plant by which we were able to recover alkaline water of 28,478 cubic meters in 2020 from an effluent stream, which in turn reduced the groundwater extraction. U.S. Apparel and Textiles is on a mission of doing well by giving back to its people, society and environment. Since our inception, we are embarked on an optimistic journey and playing a positive role in the improvement of all aspects of life for the people of Pakistan by providing diversified social services to the community, aiming at a better life with better healthcare and improved education for those in need.